Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete page 2 in Word. Let's start by opening the Word file. As you do so, review the current pages. Here, click on the page number to view them in the side panel. After this, select page 2. Place the cursor at the top, and by repeatedly pressing the delete key on your keyboard, you will see that the page will be deleted. In addition to this method, select page 2 again in the side panel. When doing so, click Replace. In this window, go to the Go to tab. There, with the page option selected, you will enter page number field, the backslash, and the word page. Press Go to, close the window. This will make the entire page selected. Simply press the delete key to delete page 2 of the document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.